Hello guys, I'm Joseph Muikiio. I'm gonna show you some new methods of making the Eurotype pin. As long we have those equipments, you have the mod plug. That mod plug is the one which you normally used to do top power on the socket. That's the pre-pin, 3-pin. I think the 3-pin is the best one for the hard issue. That's the hard issue, which is meaning add not carrying the power. You see, it used to neutralize everything from it, and also it save for the equipments to avoid the blowing of the equipments. That 3-pin is the best one, it's the perfect one. So I can show you how to make 3-pin and the Eurotype pin for powering a certain device. You have the cable, that is the electrical cable, and you stripe the cable. That's the twin cable. That's the twin cable. Once I say twin cable, it means that it has the more than 2 cable inside of it. You stripe the cable. After you stripe the cable, you twist the cables to avoid the short circuit of the cable. Then you measure the cable per the distance you require. It might be 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meters. It depends on the equipment where you are going to install it and how long the power you're going to tap it from the source. Then after that, we twist the cable firmly so that once you start to screw it on the black Eurotype pin, it will be firm and not bringing some issue of the short circuit. Once I say short circuit, means live wire can touch with the blue wire, that's neutral, or can go and interfere with the ground one. Ground one is the yellow cable. It can be hard cable or ground. Then you insert the cables per the color code. You see neutral cable is the blue one, so you go per the color code. Then after you insert, you screw the pin to hold the cable firmly on the Eurotype pin. Eurotype pin can be also used to power device. They used to power some devices. Some ports of your devices are made of Eurotype pin. Then after that, you go again per color code. As you see, the yellow cable. The yellow cable is ground cable. Ground cable is the hard cable. It is also used as hard cable. You see the after blue cable is the neutral one. You go next to the yellow cable. Yellow cable is the ground cable. That's the color code of the cables. Then you screw it firmly on the Eurotype pin to avoid the looseness of it. You screw it firmly to avoid its looseness. In Eurotype cable, each cable has gone important on it. Without neutral, the speaker can't power. Without ground, there will be humming of the device. I talk of speaker because this cable I'm preparing it for the speaker. And once the neutral is removed, the speaker can't work. Once the ground is removed, there'll be a certain sound, that is humming sound to the speaker or to the mic, so forth. Then you got the brown cable. The brown cable is the live cable. We call it live cable because the cable all carries the power. Live cable is the cable which carries the power. It could be red, it could be brown. Those kind of the color coding, it may be challenging, but once you know the color coding, it's important. Brown cable could be also red cable, and it's the same color cable which normally carries the power. Neutral, it could be black or brown. Earth cable could be yellow or green. Those are earth cable. You see my connection I've done with it. Now I'm going for mod plug. Mod plug is made of 3 pin, and the 3 pin